everybody, this is Miko.
And Robin.
And we're Wander Open Roads.
Hey, thanks for joining us. So we are on Gran Canaria, actually in Las Palmas de Gran Canaria, which is the capital of the Canary Islands. The Canary Islands is actually a part of Spain, although it's right off the coast of Africa, close to Morocco. It is known for its diverse landscapes, including stunning beaches, mountains, and desert-like areas. The island attracts tourists with its climate, vibrant nightlife, outdoor activities including hiking and water sports. In addition, Gran Canaria also hosts different cultural events and has a rich history reflected in its architecture and its museums. This is actually one of the kind of getaway places for people that live in Europe, is to fly over to the Canary Islands. So, almost maybe kind of like the Caribbean for people in the U.S., the Canary Islands are the same way for people that live in Europe. So, definitely an interesting and unique place, a place I thought that we would never go. And while we were there for a day, we decided to take a bus tour, which is definitely one of the best ways and easiest ways to see as much as you can in a day. So we are glad that you are here to join us in the tour.
Check out our Wander Open Roads travel gear shop in Etsy. Click on the link in the description.
So the people of Gran Canaria, like the rest of the Canary Islands, are known as Canarians. The population is diverse with a mix of indigenous Guanche heritage, Spanish influence, and more recent international residents. The locals, known as Isleños, are generally welcoming and embrace a laid-back lifestyle influenced by the island's pleasant climate. The culture is a blend of traditional Spanish customs and elements of the Guanche heritage, which is evident in aspects of art, music, and cuisine. Islanders often participate in lively festivals, including the Carnival of Las Palmas, which showcases their vibrant and festive spirit. Tourism has also contributed to the cultural diversity of the population, as people from other parts of Spain, as well as other countries in Europe, choose to live and work on the island. And here is that world famous beach here in Gran Canaria. Just, powerful waves. Definitely looks like you could do some serious surfing out there, but the water was just beautiful. So this was definitely a unique experience.